Buy one get one free. This is one of the most common traditional offer that almost every human being knows, because this offer instantly triggered the buyer's mind to purchase that particular product, because this is the psychology of every human being that whenever they find two products in the price of one, they definitely think about that and go for a purchase. So how about implementing that offer on your e-commerce store? Because if you are a store owner and online seller, and if you implement that offer on your online store, then it will give you the benefit to both the customer and the seller. Because now here you need to do the calculation. For example, if you sell a product for $15, in which the $10 is the price and the $5 is shipping. So if you sell two products, you have to sell them for $30. Like $20 product price and $10 shipping. But for example, if you give that buy one get one free offer and increase the price from the original price, then when a customer buy that product, then both of the product will go to the same address and you can actually save the $5 for the shipping for the one product. So in that way, instead of selling one product for $15, you can actually sell that product for $25 and write buy one get one free. So in that way, you will get no loss, but you will make the customer purchase more than one item, and eventually after 1 month, your number of sales will be same, but the number of items sold will be double. So in that way, you can actually get double profit by making the same amount of sale. So if at this point you have understood my calculation, which I have just explained you in this video, then I must say that you need to watch this short video completely till the end, step by step, to learn how you can actually implement that discount to your Shopify store, so you can also double your Shopify store sales and make double profit. As you can see here, this is my today's sales for Shopify, and if I put the filter for past month, you can see that in past month I got almost $5,400 revenue. And the cool thing about this is that I only focus 40% on paid marketing and 60% on organic traffic. And if you go on my YouTube channel, you can find out these free playlists on Shopify, on Pinterest, and on TikTok. And if you watch all of those videos for free on these playlists, you'll be able to know like how I actually generate free traffic from these social media platforms on my Shopify store, from TikTok, from Pinterest. And if you watch all of these videos in my Shopify playlist, so you'll be able to know like how I optimize my Shopify store to get more sales, more conversion with less spend. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my Shopify dashboard right now. So in order to give our customer buy one get one free discount, we need to use these two options from the left menu. Number one is products and number two is discounts. So let's first open the product option and decide on which product we need to give the discount. So for example, from here, if we select this product, which is electric food grinding tool, so if we open that product page, then we can see that right now this product is selling for 18.99 pounds. So if we go back again on the Shopify dashboard, and from the discount tab, if we click on create a discount, so here we can see some different discount types. Like number one is amount of products, number two is amount of orders, number three is buy X get Y, which we are going to be using in this video later, and number four is free shipping. So if you want to give an amount or percentage off on your product, like $5 off or 5% off, you can just use these two options. Or if you want to make the shipping of your product free and you only want your customer to pay the price of product, then you can just select the fourth option. But right now here, as we want to give the buy one get one free option, then we need to click on this third option, buy X get Y. As soon as I click on that button, I will be able to see this create product discount page. So here you can see that if we scroll down, we can have some blocks. So one by one, we have to fill the data in these blocks to make the custom discount and implement that discount on our product, which we want to give our customer. So here in the first block, you can see that we need to select a method, like if we want to give the discount on any product automatically, or if we want to give any discount code to our customer. So basically, if we zoom and click on automatic discount, then it will give that discount to every product on my store. But for example, if I am doing any influencer marketing and I am getting traffic on my Shopify store from any influencer, so I can actually click on discount code and either I can generate the code or I can type my personalized code here, like Insta 50% off. So whenever someone purchasing my product, put that particular code at the time of purchase, then only he will get a free product if he purchases one product. So in that way, if I just give this discount code to my audience on Instagram, on TikTok, or if I find any influencer on social media and I ask him or her to unbox my product and put it on the story or reel, so people can actually see my product and land on my Shopify store to purchase. So if they put this discount code before purchasing, so they will get one free product. So it's totally up to you. You can just select this automatic discount or discount code. Now we need to go down to the second block, which is customers buy. So basically we can see two options here, like minimum quantity of items minimum purchase amount. So for example, if you want this discount to be only applicable to the customer who purchased more than 2 products or more than 3 products, so you can actually set minimum quantity of item and put the quantity 3 here. So if you put the quantity 3 here, then this discount or this offer will only be applicable to those customers who purchase more than 1 product. But if I make this quantity from 3 to 1, then it will be applicable to every customer, because every customer has to purchase at least 1 product. So personally, I used to put the quantity 1 here because I want to give that particular discount to every customer, but it's totally up to you. If you want to make it 2, 3 or 4, you can actually make it. So now let's keep this quantity as 1, and then before moving on to the next step, we can actually click on specific product and then click on browse, and from here we can actually select any particular product on which we want to give that discount. So if you select any product from here and then go down and then click on add, that means you are giving that discount only to that product. And if you don't select any other product, then this coupon or discount will be applicable to all products on your store. So now go on to the next step, which is customer get. So that means here we need to understand the condition. Like if customer purchase 1 quantity, then he will get a 1 quantity of this product. So let me make it simple for you. If I zoom out and select any product from here, like this one, shoehorn, or any other product like food grinder. So if I click on that and click add, so that means the condition right now is here. If a customer purchase at least 1 quantity of this product, then the customer will get 1 quantity of, click on browse, go down and click here and click on add. So now the condition is complete. Customer will get 1 quantity of this product. So that means we have put the same product into the customer buy and into the customer get. So whenever any customer purchase 1 unit of this product, so he will automatically get 1 unit of the same product. So this will be called as buy 1 get 1 free. But if you want to make buy 2 get 1 free, then you can just go there, change this quantity from 1 to 2. So that will become, if a customer purchase 2 units of this product, then he will get 1 unit of this product as free. So now at last you can see that at a discounted value. So we need to make it free because we want buy 1 get 1 free, not buy 1 and get discount on other product. So if you click on free and then if you click on all customer and if you go down and click on save discount, so that discount will be applicable to that product. And if you want to give that discount to all product, you can just select multiple product on that part. You can see that if you click on browse and select that product and click add, so you can see that there are now 2 products in this list. So just like this way, you can just add as many products as you want. And then if you go down and click on save discount, your discount will be applicable. But before setting up that discount, if you go on this active date part, so you can see the start date, start time, and set end date and set end time. So if you want that offer for a particular period of time, like let's suppose you want this offer to start at 1st June and ends at 5 June. So you can actually set the start date and time here, like 1st June and 12 AM and 5 June and 12 AM. So in that way, you can actually give this offer to your store for a particular amount of time. So this is basically a super easy and super attractive way. And from this page, you can actually customize your discount in any way. Like you are having a complete control on all of these blocks. Like how much discount you want to give, how much product you want to give, if you want to give a price discount, if you want to give a percentage discount, or for what time frame or for what dates you want to give the discount. So right after watching this video, go on that create product discount page and set up the discount on your product as per your ease and as per your criteria. Because every customer likes the discount and they want to purchase from your store if you're giving them some offers or some discount. Because offers and discounts are something from which you can actually play with the customer psychology and you can actually sell them more than one item and make more and more profit. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.